glug, 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 glug. Dig, 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 dig.
Let's go, let's ride, let's roll, let's cruise, let's fly. You come to ride by my side. Let's go, let's ride.
Let's go, let's ride, let's roll, let's cruise, let's fly. You come to ride by my side. Let's go, let's ride. Here we go, sailing on a ship.
A Navy vessel, tugboat too, container ship or take a cruise. A punt, a barge, a fishing boat, a hovercraft. Come on, let's float.
Let's go, let's ride, let's roll, let's cruise, let's fly. You come to ride by my side. Let's go, let's ride. Here we go, rolling on the ground.
Trucks and tractors on the farm, trolleys, trains, and cable cars, bicycles, a London bus, a fire engine just for us.
Let's go, let's ride, let's roll, let's cruise, let's fly. You come to ride by my side. Let's go, let's ride, rolling on the ground.
Fire engine. This is a fire engine.
Hello, young man. What's your name?
Ralph.
Ralph. I'm Frank. Pleased to meet you. Welcome to Paddington Fire Station. Come with me. Do you want to come and sit in the fire engine?
Yes.
Okay. You ready? All right.
Hello, Ralph.
Then Ralph met the driver.
I'm the brigade driver.
The driver turned on the flashing lights and the siren. Fire engines have flashing lights and sirens so people can see and hear them and get out of the way.
What did you chat to?
Off they went for a ride in the fire engine. The driver is very careful because often fire engines have to drive fast.
Look at the camera. Let's have a look here.
Then the fire engine pulled back into the fire station. Frank, the fireman, helped Ralph out of the fire engine.
Okay, Ralph. Do you want to come and see how we put the ladder up? Right. Put you somewhere safe. Right, stand by the slip. Back.
Then the fireman showed Ralph how they work their ladder.
On the rope.
When there's a fire, the firemen need to put up ladders so they can get to the fire and put it out with their hoses. Firemen also have to climb their ladders to rescue people from burning buildings.
Ladder. All right.
Frank the fireman climbed higher and higher while Ralph watched him. Finally, Frank reached the top. He was very high up. There's another kind of fire engine called a snorkel truck. Mechanical feet come out of the side of the snorkel truck to help support it. Can you see the feet coming out? Then the firemen climb onto the snorkel platform. Now the snorkel lifts up with the fireman on it. The snorkel is used when there is a fire in a very tall building. The snorkel helps the firemen aim their hoses at the fire. Look how high that snorkel goes. The firemen can control the snorkel from their platform. The firemen are very high up. Now the firemen are coming down. The snorkel truck is a very important tool for helping firemen fight fire.
Let's go, let's ride, let's roll, let's cruise, let's fly. You come to ride by my side, let's go.
Hi.
Let's ride.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Here We Go. There are more episodes to come, so please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.